All right, where's the power button? Power button, power button, power button. Pairing in
Got a pet, better keep the pet. And the skies is another planet. And the skies is another planet.
What's good, Leekautorepair? Hit the like button, make sure y'all subscribe. So yesterday I went and bought me some earbuds before I pull it out. Well, my outlet too. I always got to make sure I get situated. So I had needed some earbuds. I had got them off the tool truck, of course. And the reason why I got some earbuds because I got these Samsung, the Galaxy Gear Buds. That's what they call. These joints is pretty good. Like, they Gucci. They really work. They really nice. Like, I could say a lot of good things about it. Battery life is great. Really good. Except for, I open this up and I'm missing one. When I say I'm missing one, meaning I was working on a car and all I know is 2 days later I'm looking at my toolbox for it. I don't know. But I like to constantly do it. It's a habit. I'll have in my work shirt, there are pockets in my shirt. Sometimes I'm stuffing them in them pockets. So I believe I must have left them in a dirty shirt that went in the laundry for the uniform guy, and it must have got collected and just going into that. You know they ain't going to return nothing. So I went out and I bought me, when I was on a Macco Tool truck, I rock with these joints. These joints look right. Let me try them out. Just off of looks or whatever. And then on top of that, I needed some earbuds. Like, I don't like to go places where I gotta wait in long lines. So I figured, like, I was gonna go to Target like I did before and go buy me another one. But I'm like, I'm not about to be waiting in the line around this time of the year, especially. So I saw it on a truck and I paid like $130 for the ones, between 130, yeah, 130 for the ones I got. And then that was like, I paid like last year I bought them. And then I mean, I'm not even kind of mad because the Earbuds last me like a year. The Macco Tools one that I got was 118, 113, 118, whatever the cost is. And I'm like, this is in my price range. These chunkies look Gucci. Let me check them out. And my boy Wrench and Dread, I think he got like the first model that they made. And I think they didn't redid it and made it like different ones or whatever. They look a little bit more sleekier, if I could say that word. Hold on. So this is what it is. Y'all can see it. If we could get it to focus, it probably won't focus. Here we go. So the Macco Tools wireless earbuds, and as you can see, it got like a little display screen on it. Let me pull it out the box. Whatever this is, it's a little paper telling me to pull out the plastic from the earbud. Let me put my smoke down. So basically, if we can get this, can we focus? Can we? Ooh, Gucci. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the case for it. If we turn it around, we can see that there's a light, LED light, and then I got the power port and I got a USB port. And then I guess if you turn this around a certain way. Oh wait, bam, hold on. It tells me the battery life. Now this little capsule device is basically a battery pack, basically, so you can use it as an external battery to power up something, your cell phone or whatever it is they need to get charged up on a USB tip. You can use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rotate these around, and I'm gonna, this is indicated left and right. Hold on, let me take the plastic off, as they said. I want to try these out sound quality wise. Bam, hold on. They fit kind of alright. Hold on. Let me take this other plastic joint off. I don't even know how I work this, so just bear with me. Hold on. How we do? Cause on my Earbuds, I just gotta do this. I don't know how to. How you turn this on? Shit. Here are the instructions in the box. Let me put my damn seat up too. Alright, where's the power button? Power button, power button, power button. Pairing and connecting. Take out each of the I can't even read. Take out the earbud from packaging. Rotate the charger case and take out. Wait, hold on. Hold. So I gotta put the left one back? Wow. Alright. As soon as I did this, the light came on. Alright, so whatever that means. So we got one out, and after that it say open a mobile's Bluetooth function and until the blue and red light flashing. Take out power on the right earbud. What do you mean power on? How the hell? This is gonna be a problem. Just give me a second. I guess it's just I'm slow. I gotta do a typical. It's typical Bluetooth stuff. So I guess I'm gonna hold this for 3 seconds. And then turned on, it flashed blue on me. So now at the flash blue, I guess I'm gonna hold until it flashes red and blue. Wait, hold on, I powered it off. Let me do it again. It's like my skull candies. Alright, we flashing blue and we flashing red. So I guess I'm ready to connect. So I'm gonna take my cell phone and gonna connect it. Hold on, hold. Bluetooth. And you're gonna look for I don't know the name of these buds. Oh, Mako 46, that's what it came off of me. And it's gonna ask me if I want to pair, then I want to pair, and then I'm connected. Got 20% battery life, meaning it wasn't charged, so that's fine. And I'm gonna put the other bud in, so I got one. Got two. Now I'm gonna play one of my tracks. Let me put it on straight jacket flow. And wait, what do you mean? Pairing. Hold on. Ooh. Why? Hold on. Battery is dead in one air. Hold on. Let me put one back. Hold on. Because it had the plastic on the piece, that's why I wasn't charging. And that's why I'm like, how's the case at 90%, but the earbuds don't? So we figured that out. So I'm gonna rotate it around, and I'm gonna let it charge up basically, and then we're gonna come back to this. I'm gonna let y'all know how it sounds. I charged them up some with my phone at. Go ahead and plug up something. My damn seat. I don't know my seat back. Put on straight jacket flow. Straight jacket. Ooh. Wait. Okay. Wait. Hold on. I paused it. Wait. What you on the Samsung? It's 1, 2, 3 to go back. Hold on. I don't. Is it this? Wait. Why you keep doing that? And then it made a phone call. Hold on. Alright. Straight jacket. I'm getting our straight jacket. It's jacket flow. Ooh. Okay. My flow crazy. I invested in a straight jacket. This shit is mental. Don't compare this shit to practice. Want magic? I make it happen. Suspect with the fashion. Shit like glasses. Your breath smell like asses. School your bitch like classes, like molasses. I slowly shit on niggas. Ooh. Hold on, let me. Alright. They don't. Let me. Ooh. Oh, wait, one more song. Hold on, I don't know what's happening. Gotta be a blessing. Ooh. Earn blessing, always learn a lesson. Got a passion, better keep the passion. In the skies, that's another blessing. In the skies, they don't sound bad. The only thing I think they need to like the little the rubber piece that go on there for like to give you that grip, like that comfort. You need to change it though. I got different ones I can switch out probably. Can't tell me different, God love me, nigga. Main reason why my rent paid. A nigga stayed been in my ways. Been a long time since a nigga prayed. Hard cold, but my faith contested. Played it silent, I can keep it fate. Stressing out over different days like a quarterback. He can switch the place. I ain't feeling when my dad died. I ain't like every place I walk to. I ain't had nobody good to talk to. Just me, and it was good to talk to. The bass don't sound that bad. Like I said, if you switch out the rubber grips, you should be good. When I decide to try to improvise, pride sliding high, never saw my God, I tunnel vision, I'm a vision, why God? Let me, hold on. Let me see if they come with different grips. Old past people probably hate me, but my paper I can make it. Ooh, will come with different ones. We're gonna switch them out and then see how they sound. Be a blessing, hold your blessing like a deadly weapon. Earn blessing, always learn a lesson. Hold your blessing like a deadly weapon. I will say this though, as I'm changing out these little grip things for the buds. What the hell is this? Is it one? Oh, it's two. I feel like its touch sensitivity is too strong. Like, you need to, if I'm touching like just a small portion of it, and shouldn't be able to my music shouldn't be getting cut off is what I'm saying, but it is. Like, I gotta get the commands down packed. The commands is goofy. Hold on, get these on. Hold on. They fit on a certain way. Alright, let's get one on. It's left one. Alright, better. Whew. Much better. Made a difference because he was able to get in your ears deeper. Hold on. Hold. Let's go. Got a passion, better keep the passion. Undisguised, that's another blessing. Got a passion, better keep the passion. And disguise, that's another blessing. Okay. We can see you stressing. Real shit, niggas need correction. I feel oppression with the full compression. Sit it down like a full confession. God fever, get the rope of testing. If you ain't learned, you defeat the lesson. Be a leader, you can follow dollars. I ain't talking you pack of cowards. F you up like an Eddie Bauer. Inside I pack a lot of power. Alright, I'm gonna take them out my ear. Overall, I think they Gucci. Compared to my Earbuds, once I took off this little rubber ear adapter thing, yo, that made a huge difference. So now, let me put these in correctly as they should be. I'm gonna charge these chompies up some more, but I am impressed. They not bad. They just scared me at first when I had put them on, and I'm like, why does it sound kind of fugazi a little bit? And I'm like, oh, let me change out the joints and shit. So let me turn this off. Like, my Earbuds, they don't matter. They just turn off on their own. I don't think. Am I supposed to shut these off? Leave them on? Oh, it said power off. It talks to you too. It'd be like power off, power on. No, we turned them off. So, you know your shits is Gucci when they both in there and they lit. If one is not lit like this one, it ain't charging. So make sure it's like that. And then turn it. And then right there, you Gucci. Now to get this to display or to turn on a light that you probably got questions on, I don't know how to do it. You hold on to the power button to display your percentage of your battery life. But if I thinking 1, 2, here we go. And then let me turn it off. 1, 2. Nope. I don't know how to turn off this. Hold on. Whatever. We got it. So I'm Leekautorepair. Mako Tool earbuds. You like these joints? You want these joints? Holla at your Mako Tools dude. If you don't got a Mako Tool dude, hit me up. I'll get them for you. Just hit me up. We'll figure it out. But I'm Leekautorepair. I holla at y'all. These I paid $118, and I'm happy with these. And this is probably one of the best things I bought in a while that I was satisfied after trying them. And I'm Gucci. So compared to the Samsung Earbuds and the Mako Tool Earbuds, just they make really ain't. Maybe the Samsung got about a hair, but me switching out those rubber pieces, like those for the comfort joints in your ear, like that made like a huge difference. So I'm Leekautorepair once again. Y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe and all that good shit. And yeah, I'm getting out of here.